With this video, I'm going to show you how to burnish your leather edges without the right tools. So this burnish without the right tools because I don't have my tools yet. So let me just show you how I burnish without the right tools. I already started a bit here, but we're going to continue from where I stopped before I remember to make this video. Okay, so the first thing first is you have your plate of water, your brush with the wooden handle, sandpaper, and your beeswax. So then now you apply your water on the edge of the leather with your finger. With your finger, you place it on it. You apply the water smoothly. I already used the sandpaper to brush the surface for it to be smooth for me to work on. So I'll just show you how I do it here. I'll just brush it to show. Sorry. Okay. Just brush to make sure it's balanced, it's okay, it's level for burnishing. That's the first thing we do. Balance it. The video I'm just going to show you it's not everything because the belt is so long, going to take a long time. So I'll just brush this short part for you to see how it's done without the right tools. So there is the surface, not burnished. So you take your water with your fingernails and place it on the area. This area. I'm working on just a short length. Then you pick your wooden brush handle and you rub the surface of the leather edge. Just friction and force. Gradually. Easy does it. Just keep going. Just keep rubbing it. Just keep rubbing. Do not apply too much force because when you apply too much force like this, you start affecting this edge here. Start punching up, punching out. You have to level it, so you have to go slowly with it. Just keep rubbing. Just keep rubbing the wet area of the leather. A bit dry here. So let's continue. You can see the changes coming up. This is already done. This, you can see the change coming up. Just keep going. Coming up, you can see the changes popping up a bit, so you just keep it almost there, almost there. see? Smooth. I don't know if you can get this shine. See? See? The bump here again. See what I'm talking about? You see this area? This is the area we worked on. See how smooth it's turning out to be. Yeah. Then this is where I pick up my big wax and rub it on. I just keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing. Just keep going. All the way. Can you see? Is there any change, or it's just me? Go, 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 go. Can you see? You see what I'm doing here? Yeah, rub again. Let's rub it. Blend it in. Oh my gosh. Can you see what I'm doing? Leveling the bump again. It came up. Hoping to get my tools soon. Before then, I can't just sit like that and do nothing while people wait for me. So I have to make it work. Make it work. Make it work. See? There you go. Now look at this other side without burnish, and here we burnish. This part from here to here. Just check it out. See, from here to here. See the difference? Can you spot the difference? It's rough here and smooth here. See? 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 Finishing is a job, so you have to put your effort. Make your customers like what you do, appreciate what you do, value what you do. So that's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned from it, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, please, 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 please. Thank you for watching. Hope you've learned how to burnish your leather edge without the right tools. See you in my next video.